Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove account warning on TikTok. So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here and just allow all the access. So let me just close this. Okay, I will just pause the video, and here you have to click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner, and after that you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. Okay, and here go to setting and privacy. After that you have to just scroll a little bit down and you have to click on report a problem. Okay, and we will just wait here till it get load. Now here we have to click on account and profile, and after that you have to go to the login, and here it will be a drop down and click on suspended account and it will load, and here you have to click on no and just click on need more help here, and after that a new dashboard will be open where you have to state your problem, right? So you have to provide your problem here, and after that you have to just click here yes I have appealed, and after that you have to click on submit. Okay, and this is pretty easy guys, and after that TikTok service will get back to you in under 24 hours and they will try to fix the problem. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video right now and make sure to subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.